Hello and welcome. This is lesson 13 of Introduction to Hindi Alphabets, and in this lesson we will learn about the Barahakadi of Th or the sounds of Th. Alright? So, we know about the 12 vowels of Hindi. A, I, U, E, I, O, Au, and Aha. And we know about the consonants too, right? We know that when the half consonant joins with a vowel, we get a sound, and that is called as Barahakadi in Hindi. And what we do is we join the half consonants to different vowels or all the vowels and see what sounds do we get. We have to do for all the half consonants, and we have done till here. And in this lesson we have to join this half consonant to all these vowels and see what sounds we get. Alright, so let us start with the first sound, which is Th. 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 And we get this sound Th when we add Th to A. Th plus A equal to Th. Th plus A equal to Th. Th. Alright. And pronunciation, okay, like what we have studied before, it is T plus air from mouth. T plus air from mouth is Th. Th. This is T. This is Th. T. Th. T. Th. T. Th. Alright. Now let us see how to write Th in Hindi. Okay, so that is Th. The next sound is Tha. 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 And we get this sound Tha when we add Th to A. Th plus A equal to Tha. Th plus A equal to Tha. Tha. Alright, let us see how to write Tha. Okay. The next sound is T. 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 And we get this sound T when we add T to E. T plus E equal to T. T plus E equal to T. T. Alright. Let us see how to write T. Okay. Yes, that is T. The next sound is T. 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 And we get this sound T when we add T to E. T plus E equal to T. T plus E equal to T. Alright, let us see how to write T. Okay. Next is Thu. 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 And we get this sound Thu when we add Th to U. Th plus U equal to Thu. Th plus U equal to Thu. Alright. Thu is written like this. Okay. The next sound is Thu. 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 And we get this sound Thu when we add Th to U. Th plus U equal to Thu. Th plus U equal to two, two, and two is written like this. Okay. Next is the, 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 and we get this sound the when we add th to a. Th plus a equal to the. Th plus a equal to the. The, and we write the like this. Okay. The next sound is thigh, 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 and we get this sound thigh when we add a th to I. Th plus I equal to thigh. Th plus I equal to thigh, thigh. All right, and thigh is written like this. Okay, yeah. Next is toe, 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 and we get this sound toe when we add th to o. Th plus o equal to toe. Th plus o equal to toe, toe, and toe is written like this. Okay. Next is thou, 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 and we get this sound thou when we add th to ow. Th plus ow equal to thou. Th plus ow equal to thou, thou, and thou is written like this. Okay. The next sound is thumb, 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 and we get this sound thumb when we add th to Th plus equal to thumb. Th plus equal to thumb, thumb, and thumb is basically the first vowel th with a dot above the horizontal line. Okay, and the last sound is tha, ha, tha, ha, tha, tha, and we get this sound tha when we add th to aha. Th plus aha equal to tha, and tha is written like this. Okay, so those are the sounds of th. To recap, th plus a equal to th plus a equal to tha, th plus e equal to t, th plus e equal to t, th plus u equal to thu, th plus u equal to thu, th plus a equal to the, th plus I equal to thai, th plus o equal to tho, th plus au equal to thau, th plus equal to thum, th plus aha equal to tha. All right. So go ahead and practice writing and pronouncing the sounds. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching. Click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click on all to get notified when we post a new video. If you want to watch more videos, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.